are so many funny and unusual things in the world. For example, our new collection of strange life hacks. Yes, do not be surprised. These strange things will not only amuse you, but also simplify your life. Make a super gadget for the kitchen from a tube of glue and butter. Remove the glue from the tube. Thoroughly wash the stick with running water. Melt the butter. Fill the tube with butter. Close the lid. Put it in the fridge and wait until it's completely frozen. The butter in the tube is twisted like regular glue and is easy to spread on bread. Unusual, but very convenient. You are going to need a big plastic cup, a straw, and your favorite bottle of Coca-Cola for this life hack. Make a hole in the lid with a hot glue gun. Make the same hole at the bottom of the cup. Glue the lid to the cup. Insert the straw in the holes. Twist the lid on the bottle. And fill the cup with crackers. Modernization of a light snack was successful. All the yummy in one hand. That is very convenient. Oh, these eternal women's problems. You want to straighten your curly hair. If your hair is straight, then you need to curl it. And what if, instead of the usual curlers, for example, use bananas? Sprinkle your hair with a fixing spray. Twist a strand on a banana and attach it with an elastic band. Leave the bananas on the head until the hair dries completely. Carefully remove the fruit curlers. Enjoy perfectly curled locks. There's only one flaw. The curlers clearly are not weightless. A kilogram of bananas on your head is not a joke. It's nice to pamper yourself with a tasteful cup of tea. Oh no, not these annoying floating tea leaves again. Get a piece of food foil. Pour a spoonful of dry tea on the foil. Spin it into a bundle. Pierce it with a needle. Pour boiling water into the glass and dip the foil tea bag in it. The water is quickly colored and the air is filled with the aroma of freshly brewed tea. And no more floating leaves. Can somebody please scratch my back? If there is no one around, a homemade scratcher will come to the rescue. You need 3 ballpoint pens and wooden sticks. Bend the pen's cores using pliers. Attach them to the stick with a hot glue gun. Strengthen the construction with one more stick on the top. Cap the tips with the droplets of hot glue. Scratching between the shoulder blades, that's what's missing for complete happiness. Did movie tickets rise in price? We have a life hack that will help you to save your money. Make a home theater from your smartphone and a regular cardboard box. Cut out a square hole on one side of the box. Go over your phone on a piece of cardboard. Cut out the drawing along the contour. Attach the window to the box using double-sided Scotch tape. Make a hole in the window, leaving 2 centimeters on each side. Put your phone in the window and turn on your favorite channel. Make yourself comfortable and do not forget to take something delicious with you. Enjoy your movie! Ordered pizza for a big company and there are not any special scissors at hand, nor even a regular knife? What you do have is a music lover among you. Ask him for a CD. Cut the pizza into equal pieces with a disc. Triangles of pizza look very appetizing and run out quickly. Even on a clear and sunny day, you may be in danger. Villains of the gang called Black Stockings are on their guard. Let's reincarnate into a super ninja. Apparently, the bandit did not expect that inside such a cutie lives a real master of kung fu. Here's how to protect yourself from bandits with the help of an ordinary black t-shirt. Turn the t-shirt inside out. Use the chalk to go over the outline of the picture. Use acrylic paints to paint on the shirt. Cover the picture with beige color. Draw eyebrows, eyes, and a nose using black color. Give the look a severe expression. Put the t-shirt on and master the skill of the ninja transformation. A t-shirt is unlikely to scare a real gangster away, but your friends will have fun for sure. Messy hair can ruin a hairstyle. How can I calm them down? This life hack will require a colorless gel deodorant. Apply the deodorant gel to the messy hair. The deodorant smooths out the strands and the hair looks neat and tidy again. Make wet wipes to keep your hands always clean. You need a roll of cosmetic napkins, water, and a gel hand sanitizer. Pour the sanitizer in water. Stir until completely dissolved. Put the dry napkins in the jar. Fill the napkins with water and sanitizer. Remove the cardboard sleeve from the roll. After the bushing, pull out the tip of the napkin. Use a conventional air balloon as a sealed cover. Cut off the narrow tip of the balloon. Pull the balloon on the jar and cut a hole in the center. Stretch the napkin through the dispenser opening. Clean your hands in seconds, very comfortably. Let's keep testing strange life hacks. And it's the turn of Ziplock chips. You need a bag of chips and a zipper. Apply hot glue to the zipper using a hot glue gun. Glue it to the bag of chips. Open the zipper and cut the package along its length. The Ziplock pack is ready. It is an original way to keep the chips fresh. Let's check out one more strange life hack and make an original hairdo with the help of a vacuum cleaner. Put the elastic on the vacuum cleaner tube and bring it to your hair. Collect the hair with a vacuum cleaner and tie the tail with the elastic band. Quick tails without a single knotty strand. Strange, but it works. Well, you just cannot go to school in such a crumpled blouse, and the iron, as luck would have it, is broken. There is a way. Let's iron the shirt with a hair iron. If it can straighten hair, it sure will straighten the collar. Clamp the crumpled areas between the doors and slowly pull the iron over the fabric. Make sure that there are no lacquer residues or hairstyling products on the ironing pad. A couple of minutes, and the iron blouse goes to the clothes hanger. Nothing lasts forever. Even the headphone covers have disappeared somewhere. Let's make the ear cups for vacuum headphones from a regular foam sponge. Cut off an oblong piece from the sponge. Give the foam rubber a cylindrical shape. Cut the cylinder in half. Make cross cuts. Insert the headphones into the ear cup. Soft foam pads isolate your ears from extraneous noise and improve the sound quality. Insert the headphones and sing along. Where does all this dust come from? How can you defeat it? If there is no special polish for furniture at hand, it will be replaced by a fabric softener. Mix the water with a small amount of the softener. Wet the cloth and squeeze it carefully. Clean the dusty surfaces. Everything starts to shine. A great way to forget about dust for a long time. How do you cut an onion and not fill the whole apartment with tears? There is a way. Protect the eyes with a strip of food film. Keep chopping the onion calmly, and remember, if you cry, it's only from happiness. A friend has bigger breasts than you do, and you are kind of sad about it. Increase the volume of your breasts with regular socks. Put a sock in each cup of the bra and smile at your reflection in the mirror. Yes, it seems that you are much better with a sock push-up. Although, of course, it's just a comic lifetime. And now, this is a useful one. Let's make a bag for school items from a regular hoodie without scissors and needles. Spread the hoodie on the table. Put school supplies on top of it. Bend the bottom of the hoodie and fold the edges. Pull the hood on the edge. Connect the sleeves with a strong knot. It turns into a stylish bag. Some bags of chips seem to be created to drive you crazy. No matter how you try to open them, they do not yield and reliably keep the defense. But 2 ordinary coins will help you. Tear off the corner, clamping the edge of the bag between the coins. A pair of small coins, and you can open chips or any other package with no problems. Did you like our strange ideas? Which life hack surprised you the most? A pencil with butter, banana curlers, or a ninja from a black t-shirt? Let us know in the comment section. Subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. And don't forget to click on the bell to watch our new videos first.